Welcome back to another video, man. Look here, a little birdie told me that Stray Kids is the closest thing you will get to Big Bang. How crazy is that? Y'all let me know what you think. This is my first time reacting to Stray Kids. I don't really know much about them, and that's a big statement. So I'm sure y'all can really help me out on that. Today I got Stray Kids Thunderous. They bring in the thunder. They gonna make it rumble. They may do a little tumble. Look it. I'm in my rapping element now. Yeah, I need to chill before I become one of the K-pop artists, and I'm out there with what group would I choose? That's a good question. In the comments, what group would you choose if you can be a K-pop artist for a day? You can be in any group you want. You can be a rapper, singer, whatever you want to do. What group would you be in? But let's check out this video. That's a cool animation. I don't think videos have animations like that anymore. I like that.
소리를 지르는 내가 창빈이란 더내 자리는 내가 참 더 태도는 폭포하게 되기를 폭주하는 기관총 몰아친 허리케인이 뒤집어진 우산 잔소리꾼의 최후 우리 좋구나 나무꾼은 어서 돌아가시오 여긴 나무랄 데가 없네 납작해진
Hold on. They just threw so much at me right now. I don't even know what to say or do. I'm gonna be honest, Big Bang was a group who really experimented with so much. Even GD with his rapping, he was able to experiment with so much just within rap. I feel like Stray Kids has shown me that already 27 seconds in. Oh my gosh.
때와 함께 세운 듯이 훨씬 더 웅장하게 되는 경적 소리 악당무리의 뜨거운 비가 돌아온 몸에 번져 소문난 군들의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛은 freezing cold but I know
They're hard. Hold on. And it turned back into animation. Name another artist that can go into animations like that into the actual video. I've never, ever seen that. This is the first time I've seen that happen. And it's tight. It's tight. Again, experimental. They're a group that's not afraid to do things differently. They're not afraid to, just innovate and try different elements. And like, I feel like a group who can do that and do it well is a group that's gonna be great for a long time. You see the transitions. The transitions. And it's so intentional. Like, it's not just random BS just flying around. So many different random transitions that don't make sense. 이거저거 귀찮아서 도리도리 말이 너무 많아 자꾸 나서지 좀 마라 Why you mad, why you sad, why you tick, tick, tick I don't ban 중 얼레리 멋있는 척들이 양심 발끝 조찬도 따라오지 못해 여기는 팬들 들어봐 질투가 He was rapping and dancing with the beat. As he was rapping, his flow matched what he was doing. Bruh. What? Look, I can't even pat the head, rub the belly. How am I gonna rap so fast like that and then be moving with the? Who thought of that? And even just the match cuts that we see are just spot on. They're playing with their movements and the music.
Man, I'm not sorry, Daddy. 군들이 왔어요. 날이면 날마다 오늘 날이 아닌 오늘 소리꾼들이 왔어요. 원래 삐딱해 소리는 일단 백 맘에 안 들면 들 때까지 말 대답해. Final warning 당장 back up, press up, set up, crack up. How about a man? 퇴 소리꾼.
Y'all, help me to not have a heart attack right now. I think, again, the birdie who told me that Stray Kids is close to Big Bang, I'm 100% agreeing with it. I'm not gonna lie. What they did just now and what they shown me has been perfect on every notch. Different. Like, it put me on a roller coaster of emotions. I'm engaged the whole time. Not once was I like, I want to turn this off.
Sorry, I'm dirty.
Bang, bang, bang. Look, young daddy.
Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules.
That's so hard. Y'all got my vote. I'm in. I'm locked in now. I'm going on a Stray Kids marathon. This is a new journey that I'm starting with. It's crazy. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because I'm going crazy.